Hello, welcome back to Campus Classics. We have another car show for you today. We're here at the UVU Auto Expo. We did finally find a parking spot. There are a lot of cars here, a lot of people to check out the show. As we go through, we'll get some cars for you. They do have a big swap meet. That is our main purpose for being here. We're trying to find a transmission for the Olds 442. Don't know that we'll get a lot of footage in the swap meet area, but if we see something neat, we'll show you. So as we're going through the show, we found one you don't see a lot of. It's a 1965 Falcon Futura. Convertible.
Why not? They're next door. Next to them is a
Just a really well done car. Again, you don't see a lot of them. It's convertible. Pretty nice car. So here's one that's kind of what I would call a survivor car. It's a 1957 Cadillac. Very nice car for a survivor car. I'd love to have one. It's got a very unique body styling to it.
What do they call this color? Coral desert.
I love the bullet tail lights on it. Let me show you the interior. It looks to be all original. Kind of a big boat car, but I'd love to have one. Okay, so here's a 1970 Dodge Challenger. It's a 346 pack. The air cleaner is as big as the engine, if not bigger. This one is unique because it is Panther Pink, I believe is the name of the color. TA. Just a really nice, well done car. Okay, so we have another one. This one's 2 years later. I just wanted to show you the difference in how they changed things pretty wildly. In the late 50s, it was basically a new model every year from 55 on. This one is a 59 Cadillac. Completely different front end. As you can see, we moved the bullet lights up into the middle of the fin. The fins were taller. I believe this was the tallest year the Cadillac fins was 59. So here's another one. It's a 54 GMC pickup truck. I wanted to show you this. It's one of my favorite colors. It's a red. I believe Ford came out with it a few years ago and in the Mazda line. But it's a very beautiful truck. Bird's eye maple bed.
Me and my buddy did. We restored it about 12 years ago. It's got it's pretty good. But I didn't have enough force when the drivers. I got to see a ton of pieces.
Either white, gray, black.
So my truck's a 55 Chevrolet. This has me wanting to work on it now. So check out those videos. Will be coming shortly. Working on it. So this one is a little unique. I don't know if it's a 58 or 59, but it's a Chevrolet. They've done something that is happening now more with the rise of electric vehicles. This one is an electric vehicle. They took the drive plan out of a modern electric vehicle and put it in this truck. Let me show it to you. So this is the battery pack instead of an engine.
You can jump online and you can find somebody else who's got info on it or whatever else, but at the that's cool. Does that light up? It's so it's
LED?
got underneath here when it's charging, it's got it's like blue lights basically.
Black walnut bed in this one. Something you don't see a lot of.
I like how you did that.
One thing I do want to show you though is let me show you the front end of this one again. 58, 59 Chevrolet, and then we'll turn here across the aisle. 1960 Ford. Kind of looks like Ford may have copied Chevrolet a little bit on the front end of their truck. This one's just a good survivor truck. one thing, they do have a metal bed in it instead of wood. So here's a beautiful 66 Chevy truck. Not really my favorite body style, but it's really well done, from Eakin's Garage here in Utah. Let me show you to you. So a little bit different bed wood. I believe it's oak, but it's different. Very nice, well-built truck. I love the matte colors. You just can't really polish them, but they're really nice cars. Really nice colors. I love it. So back to this truck, from Eakin's Garage. They also have a YouTube channel. We'll go ahead and link them in our page and check them out. So you kind of like see a little bit of everything. This is a 1943 tank. World War II era, a very nice tank. Guess if that's your thing. So we made it all the way through the swap meet without buying anything. There was a couple T10 transmissions, but we were looking for the Muncie. There was not one though of theirs, so it's looking like possibly the Firebird's getting a 5-speed. So here's one we don't see other than in our shop. This one is a 65. It's a Oldsmobile 442. Ours is a 66. There's a few main differences on them, mainly trims.
At 11:43, the countdown continues to 12 noon to where we do the flag presentation. Also right here next to the
So this one's an automatic, and looks like there will be 2 red 442s in the state of Utah. So we're in the unique aisle apparently. We've got a dune buggy, a Datsun, and a big bus, followed by whatever this is, Mazda. Pretty unique. So these are kind of my nemesis, being a Firebird guy, but it's just really well done, so I wanted to show it to you. It's a 1968 Camaro 350, or 396 actually. This is one thing unique to the 68 is this trim on the door and quarter panel. It was only in 68. It was an option, so you either could get the smaller trim or the big trim like that. I opted for the smaller trim on mine. So there's 1960 Chevrolet Bel Air 4-door. Guess when you have a huge trunk, you got to do something with it. So I guess when you got that, you build a theater in your trunk. So this is the UVU Auto Expo. It's a scholarship for those in the mechanics program, but this is one of the vehicles they built.
That could be. Tyson, I have your phone number anyway, so you tell me what it is and we'll go there. You get your second choice. Third choice is going to be Wyatt Christensen. And,
so they do some great work. It's a nice automotive program. They do mechanical and a whole lot of other stuff. Okay, so here we have a car. I've seen it at a couple car shows. In fact, it's parked next to me at, I believe it was the Matco show at Cabela's in Lehigh. It is supposed to be an exact replica down to the license plates of the Milner car from American Graffiti. Very nice car and one of my favorite movies. So I want to show you this one. It's a Ford truck, but I really want to show you the paint. Hopefully it shows well in the video. Oh, just a nice car. So here's a big boat, bigger boat than the last Cadillac. So it's a 65 Cadillac limo. So yeah, big car. Don't know if you can see very well, but the back seats flop into the floor and on the back. So if you have them up, there's a lot of room in the back seat. But yeah, it can haul more people because it's a limo. So we're gonna end here with this Willys Jeep. You know, these are just utility vehicles, but very well done. I like it. I'd love to have one. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.